Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we delve into the fascinating world of natural science and explore the wonders of our planet. Today, we're going on an adventure to discover the incredible Baobab tree, a species that has captivated human imagination for centuries. The Baobab tree, also known as Adansonia digitata, is a majestic tree that can grow up to 100 feet tall and live for over 1,000 years. But what makes this tree so significant in the natural world? To start with, let's define what a baobab tree is in everyday language. Imagine a giant upside-down tree with a thick trunk and branches that resemble a network of roots. That's essentially what a baobab tree looks like. This unique shape allows the tree to store massive amounts of water in its trunk, making it a vital source of hydration for many animals during times of drought. The baobab tree has a rich evolutionary history that dates back millions of years. Fossil records show that these trees have been around since the time of the dinosaurs, and they've been a staple food source for many species throughout history. In fact, the baobab tree was first scientifically documented by the French naturalist Michel Adanson in the 18th century, who described it as a tree that looks like it's been planted upside down. From a scientific perspective, the baobab tree belongs to the family Malvaceae and is native to Africa, Australia, and the Arabian Peninsula. These trees thrive in dry, tropical climates where other species might struggle to survive. But how do they manage to store so much water in their trunks? The answer lies in their unique anatomy. Baobab trees have a specialized system of vessels that allow them to absorb and store water during the rainy season, which can then be used during times of drought. One of the most fascinating aspects of the baobab tree is its ability to interact with other species in its ecosystem. For example, these trees provide food and shelter for a wide range of animals, from insects to large mammals like elephants and giraffes. In fact, the baobab tree is often referred to as the tree of life because of its importance to so many different species. But that's not all. Baobab trees also have a symbiotic relationship with certain species of fungi that live in their roots. These fungi help to break down nutrients in the soil, making them more accessible to the tree. Recent research has also highlighted the importance of baobab trees in maintaining ecological balance. For example, studies have shown that these trees play a crucial role in regulating the water cycle and preventing soil erosion. In fact, a single baobab tree can store up to 32,000 gallons of water in its trunk, which can then be released slowly into the surrounding environment during times of drought. But baobab trees are not just important for the environment, they're also a vital source of food and medicine for many human communities. The fruit of the baobab tree is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a nutritious and healthy snack. In fact, the fruit has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Despite their importance, baobab trees are facing numerous threats in the wild. Habitat destruction, overharvesting, and climate change are all taking a toll on these incredible trees. In fact, many conservation efforts are underway to protect baobab tree populations and preserve their habitats. For example, organizations like the African Wildlife Foundation are working with local communities to plant new baobab trees and protect existing ones from overharvesting. As we conclude our journey into the world of the baobab tree, we're reminded of the importance of preserving this incredible species and its ecosystem. By protecting the baobab tree, we're not only ensuring the survival of countless other species that depend on it, but also maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. In reflection, the baobab tree teaches us a valuable lesson about resilience and adaptability. This tree has thrived in some of the harshest environments on Earth for thousands of years, and its unique adaptations have allowed it to survive against all odds. As we face the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation, we can learn from the baobab tree's example and strive to create a more sustainable future for all living things. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.